In this video, I want to show you how to change the standard form of a quadratic function to a vertex form. So you have a standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And then the first thing that we're going to do to change that to vertex form is you're going to move the c over. And you're going to leave a space in between both. So I've moved the c over. Now I'm going to add b over 2 squared to both sides. So I add, and in class we put parentheses with the squared on both sides. So b is 8, so it's 8 over 2. And that would be 8 over 2. Okay. Then we're going to simplify the left. So we have y minus 7 plus, now this is 8 over 2, which is 4 squared, is 16. And then that would simplify to 9. Now we're going to factor the right. So what's really happening here is you have x squared plus 8x plus 16. And then that factors to x plus 4 and x plus 4, which goes to x plus 4 squared. Now usually we jump straight from here to here because I've told you just to do, you drop the x here and whatever's in this parentheses you put here, and then that sign is the same as what's in the parentheses as well, so it's plus 4 in the parentheses. But if you take that to 16 and then factor this trinomial, you would have x plus 4, x plus 4. Now to change that to vertex form, you just move the number back to the right. So you would move the 9 and you'd have x plus 4 squared, subtract 9. Okay, so let's do one more. Change that to vertex form. First thing, you move the c and you leave a space. Now we're going to add b over 2 squared. So your b in this one is negative 10. So negative 10 over 2 squared. You simplify the left, so you'd have y minus 3. This would be negative 5 squared, which was 25. So plus 25 equals, and then this side, we're going to skip all that middle stuff on this one. You would just do parentheses squared, drop an x, and then whatever this number is goes right there. Then you simplify this. And then move the 22. And that is vertex form. So those are the same as their equivalent statements, except this is standard form of that quadratic and this is vertex form of that quadratic. Now, please note in this, a equals 1. So I didn't show you any examples where a does not equal 1, but if a equals 1, that process will work every time.